Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Fraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to use array. So there are three types of array. One is polar array, one is path array, and one is rectangular array. Array command is in modify panel under home tab. This is the command for array. Okay, so I will just click on this drop down arrow. Now you can see rectangular array, path array, and polar array. For now we will see how to use polar array. Okay, so what is polar array? As you can see here in this circle, around this circle there are some small circle on a circumference of this circle. Okay, and if I want to copy just like this circle, I can use what? Polar array. Okay, so let's see how to use polar array. Okay, I can just activate the command from here as well. Okay, I will select here polar array command is going to activate, but dialog box is not going to come in front of me. Okay, that I need dialog box that will make much easier to use polar array. For that I will just write a command here, array classic. What? Array classic. Okay, here is the option for array classic. I will select here. Now this dialog box is come appear in front of me. Now what it is asking about, there are some options. Okay, now it is asking about select the object. First select that object that you want array or that you want copy. Okay, in circular mode. So I will select this one option. Okay, I will select the object. Again I will hit enter. After select the object, I will hit enter. Now the second option here is pick the center point around which do you want to copy or do you want to array. So I will select this one and I need center of the circle. Okay, around this point I need what? This little circle. Okay, so I will give this point as a center. Now what it is asking about, total number of item. How many item do you need? Okay, so here for example I need some 6 item. Then I will press tab key. What? From keyboard tab key, and then you can just see the preview from here. Now you can see preview is looking very good here. Okay, now I will just press escape key again and I will press OK. If it is looking good, then I will press what? OK. Now these circles are just copied on the circumference of the circle. Likewise, if you want to just copy any of the thing in circular position, you can use polar array. Okay, let's see one more example here. Let's pan to the left. Now you can see here this is the table and this is the chair, and if you want to just make a copy of this chair from here, here and here, instead of going one by one, I will just copy this one from here, then I will move it to here, then I will rotate it and I will adjust the position. Polar array is a very good command. Okay, so again I will just activate array classic. Okay, what? Array classic. Then I will hit enter. Then what? It is asking about select the object that you want to array. Okay, I will select this object. Then again I will hit enter. Now it is asking about position. Okay, or center point. So I will pick a center point from here. So this is the center point around which I want make array. So I will give center point. Now it is asking about how many total number that you require. So for now I need 4 numbers of chairs. Okay, now I will enter tab. What? I will hit tab. Now you can look preview as well. So preview is looking fine. Again I will press escape key and I will just press OK. Now this is how we can use polar array. It is very effective command if you want to make a copy of an object in a path. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.